Welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're going to do a quick update on the body work that's being done on the truck. As some of you guys know, there was a little bit of body work that needed to be done. So, for the sake of continuing updates, we'll show the body work and one of my new packages that arrived as well. And if you stay to the end of the video, we will have something a little more exciting to some, but a little more exciting of a package that we will be taking delivery of. So we'll just jump right on into this, and here we go. If you guys follow me, those that do, that have been following for a while, will recall when this little incident happened. This is when we kissed the wall. I'll put a little link to it up at the top for that video. So we're finally getting that fixed. Been over a year that I've been riding around with that little kiss there. So we're finally getting that fixed. So we figured might as well. I mean, we got everything apart and it's kind of sitting around anyway. And we have the body shop that's right here next to BWoody Performance. So, yeah, it's all look all up under her skirt there. Well, look what we got here. My injectors are back. I sent my injectors out when we pulled the motor apart, just because they had some miles, so I figured might as well get these cleaned since we already had the downtime. So, let's see. I wanted to actually go down there and film it, the process, but unfortunately, they said that they didn't allow customers inside during these times. So there we are. What do we have here? What do we have here? Well, it appears all of my injectors passed. I believe that's what this is saying. Pass, pass, pass. Pass, 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 pass. Good, 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 good. Flow before. Said 1, 2 of them a little low. Static flow after. All of them are consistent now. Don't really know what that means, but they're all consistent. I'll do further research to figure out what all that means. Static flow before. Yeah, so those were the 2 low ones. Okay. Okay. Horsepower capability per injector. Interesting. Okay, what else do we have? Like this on Facebook. Check the rehab. Okay, got each one all labeled. Each injector is labeled. Still good, good. Great. Number 2. Those. What's that? All the old stuff. Looks like all of the old filters and everything. And the caps. And the fiber. Oop, there we go. That's how it happened. Now we know number one, if it fails, it's because I dropped it. All right. Okay. Yeah, definitely see all new inside of there. Yep. Thing appears all good to go. Good to go. Let's look at the injector. Look at that. I don't know what I'm really looking at that would make a difference at this point, but it does look nice, clean. Okay. All right. Feel good. So, these guys were right here in Jersey, which, as anybody that follows me knows, I'm in Jersey. So they were actually closer to the track. Gotta love that, right? But, well, as you guys see, the bodywork's pretty much just about finished. We received our injectors, so we're quite excited about that. Now, in a few more seconds, we'll let you see the other package. But, I mean, we're in a pretty good place. We still may wind up doing like a wrap on the truck. If you guys have any ideas, shoot me some. Never know. Otherwise, it's almost party time. Bodywork's been fixed. The taillights and headlights, we'll be doing some aftermarket ones. We're just looking for the right pair that we really like. And yeah. So, but I won't hold you guys up any longer. You guys the meat and potatoes for what's coming in the next video right now. Just loading up to go home.
You're ready to back up.
Oh yeah, back up.